Are you tired of painful, swollen varicose veins ruining your comfort and confidence? This natural remedy could be your answer. Start with half an onion. Yes, something this simple can make a powerful difference. Onion juice is partially absorbed through the skin and acts as a natural anticoagulant, helping to improve blood circulation. This helps reduce the risk of blood clots and supports healthier veins over time. Next, take 3 fresh garlic cloves. Garlic is more than a cooking essential, it's a healing powerhouse. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce the swelling commonly seen with varicose veins. Now add 40 grams of fresh ginger. Ginger isn't just soothing, it's a strong circulatory booster. It helps reduce both inflammation and pain, which can bring fast relief to aching legs. Ginger also helps thin the blood slightly, preventing clotting and reducing vein pressure. Place all the chopped ingredients in a clean glass jar. Now fill the jar to the top with high-quality olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that help soothe pain and reduce visible vein swelling. To extract the active compounds, boil the sealed jar in a water bath for 20 minutes. Allow it to cool naturally to room temperature before use. Strain the oil using a fine strainer or cheesecloth. Store this healing oil in a dark glass bottle away from direct light. It stays effective for up to 30 days. To use, apply the oil directly to the varicose veins with gentle circular massage. This promotes blood flow and helps the natural ingredients absorb into your skin. Wrap the area with plastic wrap to enhance penetration and warmth. Leave it on for about 2 hours, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this every other day to notice significant improvements over time. Now let's move on to the second natural treatment, quick to prepare, and just as effective. Take half an onion and finely grate it to extract its juice. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions target the swelling and discomfort linked with varicose veins. Now, extract the juice using a spoon or cloth. Onion juice is packed with antioxidants that protect blood vessels from free radical damage. Next, peel 2 garlic cloves, again, nature's anti-inflammatory remedy. Grate the garlic and squeeze out the juice. Mix the garlic juice with the onion juice for a potent healing blend. Now add a teaspoon of olive oil to this mix to carry the actives deep into the skin. Stir the mixture thoroughly until fully combined. Store it in a dark, cool place, again, up to 30 days of potency. Apply this mixture gently to the affected areas and massage it in for a few minutes. Be consistent, this is the key to visible improvement. Cover with plastic wrap to let the skin absorb all the healing nutrients. Leave it on for up to 2 hours, and repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. This treatment isn't just for varicose veins, it's also great for relieving joint pain and stiffness. Many users report smoother, softer skin in the treated areas too. Let us know in the comments, what country are you watching this from? We love hearing from our global community. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs relief, and subscribe for more natural remedies that really work. With consistent use, these homemade remedies could transform your skin and ease your discomfort without chemicals or costly procedures. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy naturally.